everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we will see about the feature selection technique, ordinary least square, and also we have learned in our previous videos like in that you have seen simple linear regression, and the other topic was the prerequisite of machine learning. So this is also the prerequisite of machine learning. So that is why we are taking this OLS, ordinary least square method. So why we generally use it? Because like if you want to get the best predictor from your data, so that is why we have to use ordinary least square. Okay, so in ordinary least square, here you can see forward selection and backward elimination. Not selection, this is elimination. Okay, yeah, so here you can see it is backward elimination. So in forward selection, what we generally do, we like take one predictor at a time, and then we will see the p value as well as adjusted r square and r square. So those values we will check, and if the values are satisfying for model, so that we will take R&D, and if it is not satisfying, or the adjusted r square is less, so then again we will check another value, another columns like market, and till then admin we will take this sequence. Okay, so this is the step 1, step 2, step 3. So this is about the forward selection. So basically I can say forward selection is one predictor at a time, and now we will move to the backward selection. So here you have backward selection. So in backward selection, you can see this is I am taking all the columns at a one go, and then I will delete one, or I will drop one column at a time on the basis of the adjusted r square and r square, and also I will check the p value, right? So 3 parameters we have to see, so that I will show you, don't worry. And here in the step 3 also you will take you will see like R&D is working fine, so then you can take it. So this is the sequence here, like step 1, step 2, step 3. So you can say here we will delete one predictor, or one feature at a time. So now we will move to the coding, and then you will see how we generally use this ordinary least square method. So we will continue our last to last coding part. Okay, so you can see here this was our one hot encoding part. After then I am taking this this feature selection technique. Okay, so now I will continue from here, and then this is the step 5, you can see. So I will give this notebook in the description, so that so there you can download it. Okay, so here step 5, you can see I am using this forward selection first. So first I will define my x and y. So in the x I am taking R&D, then y it will be same, like because we are predicting profit, so that's why it will be same, right? And now I am also using this model selection, or x train test split, for to split the data into the training and testing chunk, right? So now we will move to another part. This is the main part of the coding, like from statsmodel.api import OLS and add constant. So then OLS is the ordinary least square that we are importing, as well as we are importing the add constant. So here you can see x constant is equals to add constant, then x train. So why we are using it? Because like we want one dummy column, so that will is just a dummy column that is mandatory step to add in our data, and after then we can move further. So yeah, here we have created our x constant, because one constant value we need, right? So that constant, and after then model is equal to, here you can see OLS, y train, and x constant, so that we will pass. Okay, so here I am taking only R&D, only one predictor. Okay, now you can see here model.fit.summary, so it will show okay r squared value, and this is the adjusted r square value. So we generally say like if the r square or adjusted r square is near to r square, or this model, or this you can say these are the predictors which we can use for our like further prediction. Okay, now what we will do, we will just move into the next predictor. So here you can see I have added R&D and market. So those two predictor I am taking. So I told you about the forward selection. We will take one predictor time. After then again we will select another predictor, and then we will see the adjusted r square and r square value. So here you can see the r square value is 0.946, and then adjusted r square value is 0.943. So that we have to check, like it is also near to this r square, so that is also the good predictor, we can say. And p value here, this is the p value that we have to check, lesser than 0.05. But if your adjusted r square is good, so that time you need not to worry about it. Okay, so in our next predictor we will see about it. Like here I am taking another predictor which is admin. So here you can see this is admin. Like here we have three predictors now. So adjusted r square is r square is 0.946, and the decreased to 0.941, right? So that's why what we will do, we will see, we have seen this value and this value. Okay, and now we will check the p value. So p value, here you can see the p value of admin is 0.997. So this is not considerable, so that we will not consider for the further prediction. Okay, so admin column we will not take. We can take R&D and market because of the value. P value is near to 1, or it is just greater than 0.05, so that's why we will not take. And so only those two columns we will take, like market and R&D, so that will be good, right? So this was about forward selection, or another you can say type of OLS. It is backward elimination, so that we will use. So for backward elimination we will take all the predictors at a one go, okay, and delete one by one. So here R&D, market and admin, we have seen the values, like r square is 0.946, so it is not changing, but adjusted r square will change, and then adjusted r square is 0.941, means it is lesser than this one. So but we will not consider because it is not near to like r square, right? So again what we will do, we will remove one predictor because of the value. You can see here, like this value, this 0.997. So this is the p value, so that is why we will not consider this admin. Okay, so here you can see I have removed this predictor. Now what I will do, I will again just use this ordinary least square, and then I will check the value, like you can see 0.943, so it has increased. So it is also like R&D and market, both are the good predictor, so that we can say, right? So this is about the ordinary least square. So thank you for watching this video.